Synagro is the largest biosolid recycler in the US. We mainly operate with wastewater treatment plant and water treatment plant and take their residuals and utilize for the beneficial use, and we reduce the landfill impact. Prior to NetSuite, we had another off-the-shelf ERP system. Along with that, we have homegrown truckload management system, bank reconciliation system, capital project planning system, and operational data management system. All those things combined together more than 120 plus servers. Regarding challenges, I would say main three challenges. First, lot of manual work. Second, reporting was all distributed by person, not by the system. And third, nobody can visualize any data till somebody provides them. We choose NetSuite for a few reasons. First, it was a cloud-based ERP, so we can get rid of all the servers that we have. Second one, NetSuite is a modular platform. You can build your own homegrown application utilizing the custom records, workflow, and scripts. And it has a scalability, flexibility. It's easy to understand, and navigation is piece of cake. Initially, we implemented standard NetSuite functionality, procure to pay, record to report, order to cash. And on top of it, we added NetSuite EPM, which includes NetSuite planning and budgeting and NetSuite account reconciliation, to do more automation behind it. Since went live with NSPB, our financial forecasting and decision making is improved because of the accuracy of the data that is coming from our source system. Employee productivity increased by almost 30 to 40% because now they don't need to do dual entry like they used to do it before. With NSAR, now we are doing the reconciliation, bank reconciliation at the transaction level instead of a daily balance level. So now when we bring any bank BAI file into NSAR and we match again the NetSuite transaction, 80% transactions on the bank side can match automatically. NetSuite has made my life easy, and I can sleep better in the evening that I know that system is going to run. I can relax. When I go home, that's it. Okay, I'm done.